Hello everyone. I just want to talk about there is a blizzard that is expected for 250-mile stretch of northeast that's going to be hitting the areas of the northeast Monday and Tuesday. It's a potentially historic storm and it could dump up to 2 to 3 feet of snow from northern New Jersey to southern Maine starting today, Monday, January 26th, and crippling a region that has largely been spared so far this winter, according to the National Weather Service. A blizzard warning was issued for a 250-mile stretch of the Northeast, which includes New York and Boston. The National Weather Service said the massive storm would bring heavy snow, powerful winds, and widespread coastal flooding starting Monday and through Tuesday. The storm could be a storm the likes of which we have never seen before. And this is what Mayor Bill de Blasio said, the mayor of New York City. He also said that the storm could top the top of the list of past storms. He was at a conference Sunday and he held a piece of paper showing the city's top 10 snowstorms and said this one storm could land at the top of the list. And that list goes all the way back to 1872. And it includes the 26.9 inches of snow that fell in 2006. So he said, don't underestimate this storm. He urged the people to prepare for the worst. And he also urged residents to plan to leave work early Monday. So the Northeasterners, the people, they're either not going to work or getting off work early, and schools are planned to be closed up, and public businesses also. They're either leaving shop early or not even going into work because this is going to be a really severe storm. The weather is getting worse. Every year, the Northeast snowstorms are getting worse. So this is just an update and a heads up. I just wanted to put this out there. And just want to let you know that there's a blizzard expected up there in Northeast. And it's going to be a really severe one. So as I continue my research on this blizzard that's coming to the Northeast, it's actually a 3-day event where it started yesterday, Sunday, January the 25th. And today it will heighten. It is an epic snowstorm. It will heighten today, January the 26th, 2015, all the way through tomorrow, Tuesday, January the 27th, 2015. Looks like it's going to stretch from the Great Lakes to the Middle Atlantic and then go into the Northeast. Additionally, I just hope and pray that everyone is able to keep warm and safe during this epic storm in the Northeast, and everyone has shelter and has the proper clothing to keep warm, and all the pets are brought in, and the homeless also have shelter up there. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for viewing. Subscribe.